Hello guys. Hello guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to copy and paste. So let's get started. So practically what you do is you have to type your name. You could click on here on Lindsay. Right click, click copy. Move your cursor down and then just click paste. And my name's back again. To copy, you have a Control plus C or click the copy button or right click and choose copy. Be sure to move the cursor over it where it was first, and to paste you can do Control V or right click the paste button or right click and choose paste. So that is practically all you have to do for copying and pasting.